Hey guys, this is MacHeads202, and I'm going to be showing you my new and improved task system. For a long time I've been trying to get multitasking to actually work. In my last video I said I thought it would just work, but there were tons of problems. It wasn't working on VMware and all these various things, and it turned out that I was using the A20 address lines instead of the 32-bit address lines for memory access. So VirtualBox was emulating a 32-bit address line anyway, but VMware was actually doing it correctly and giving me less address space. So I fixed up that problem. That's all solved. I'm really thrilled with that. So I have a little mutex system. Let me just show you some of the code here. The mutex is for the kernel only, but here's the system call when they actually call in, when a third-party program calls in to print out a string. So it gets the address from the EBX register that they called, and then it translates it to the flat address space so that way the kernel can access it. Then we lock the mutex. This is the print mutex for printing. And then we actually perform the print, and then we unlock the print mutex. Here's the actual code for the mutex. As you can see, just lock vector and unlock vector, and while it's waiting, it switches tasks and gives all the tasks the ability to get locks fairly. And then here's my main thing. This is just generally how you would launch a process from the kernel. You just say task start, and then you give it the address of the code, the length of the code, and then it gives you the PID. So yeah, let me actually give you a demo. This just runs two programs. One program prints out hello task world, and one prints out hello I'm a second task. So let me just stop it here. You can see that they are even. Now you'll see two messages here, and I was kind of concerned. I thought, oh, it's printing out two at once, what the heck? But it's actually because it's in the process of scrolling up. So right now it is copying the buffer, so it copied this part of the buffer up but not the other part. So that's why it looks like the message is there twice, but really it's only there once. So it's perfectly alternating, perfectly fair, gives each task the same amount of time. Tasks can also cooperate using a special system call that you call to get swapped out. But the problem was it wasn't working in VMware, and now it is because I fixed up the A20 address lines. So let me just show you what it looks like in VMware. It should look pretty much the same, and it does. One sec. Boom, there we go. A lot slower because VMware. You guys know my opinion. I hate VMware. So, whatever. Let me shut down the VM. Alright. But, yeah, so that is multiple tasks running at once. I'm going to make system calls for a lot more things, like for reading a character from the keyboard. Once I do that, I'll make a little calculator program, maybe, something like that. And then it's up to you guys to do anything else, because this is going to be on the on GitHub, link in the description. So thanks for watching MacHeads202. Subscribe and goodbye.